Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use secret recovery phrase Metamask. First, treat the phrase like cash. Never type it in sites, messages, or email. Write the 12 or 24-word phrase on paper or metal and keep it offline in separate secure locations. Use a hardware wallet for significant funds and enable a PIN and biometrics on devices. Regularly verify backups, but do not store copies in cloud services. Start by creating your Metamask wallet in a private, secure environment and write down the 12 or 24-word phrase exactly as shown. Avoid screenshots and digital notes. Use metal or laminated paper to resist damage. Store at least 2 backups in different secure locations, like a home safe and a bank safety deposit. Periodically check that backups remain intact and readable, and never disclose the phrase to family or strangers. When restoring Metamask, enter the 12 or 24-word phrase exactly and set a strong password for the app. Prefer restoring on a clean, updated device or use a trusted hardware wallet for better protection. After restoring, enable security features like PIN, biometric locks, and automated lock timeouts. Move only necessary funds to a hot wallet for transactions, and keep the majority in cold storage or a hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.